I can think back to the time when I was in the market for my very first property. Now, the two things that scared me most were the predictability of my monthly expenses and also the worries that come along with being a homeowner. That's when I fell in love with the idea of a townhouse condo. So that's why I'm excited to introduce my latest listing to you. It's exactly that, a 2-bedroom townhouse condo that provides all of the benefits of home ownership without the worry. The low monthly condo fees include your water, but also include exterior maintenance like landscaping and snow removal, as well as big ticket items like your roof, windows, and doors. Now, inside this condo is absolutely charming. The living room is centered around this beautiful warm fireplace. I love that you've got big sliding doors that give you access to outdoors. You could have a little seating area or a barbecue in the warmer months. So as you can see, this condo truly is move-in ready. The flooring has been updated throughout, it's been freshly repainted. All you need to do next is reach out to your realtor or me directly to book an appointment. I just know you're gonna love it.